Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making the best burger in the world. You know, I've tried to make a best burger ever and it was good. And you can see that video right there. But today we're going to be making a burger even better than that. You know, how can you make a bigger, better burger? Well, you can. Especially when you're inspired by my friend Patrick from Down Under, from Paddy Joe Cooks. He's a fantastic cook. He just loves to put in things that he finds in the kitchen and he makes a great creation. So delicious. I can't find the same things that he finds down under, but I can find what I can find here in the United States. And in any case, today we are in for a treat. We're gonna make the biggest burger ever. And I'm talking about the biggest burger ever. The size of my face. Well, at least that's what I'm shooting for. All right? Well, if you want to see what kind of burger you can make at your own home, hey, I'm glad you chose this channel, because today we're going to talk about how to make the biggest, baddest, best burger. It's a lot of B's in the world. Follow me and watch this recipe. All right, so let's look at what we have here. We are going to be doing a hamburger, the best hamburger. Okay, so let's design this hamburger, and we're going to need our bread. So we've got our bread, and we're going to have, that's the bottom part of the bread. We're going to have our patty. Patty, which reminds me of my friend Paddy Joe Cooking, Patrick from Down Under, who actually inspired this video with his Papa Tadaz's world famous hamburgers. This is what I'm trying to beat. Another world class hamburger from on top, right, from the US. So I'm thinking for ingredients, we're gonna need bacon, definitely, cheese. We're gonna need lettuce, of course, the usual suspects, tomato, onion, and then sauce. Is it gonna be a special sauce? What kind of sauce? And then finally the meat. Oops. Meat. What kind of meat? So I'm thinking I'm going to focus on meat, a little bit on sauce, and then the onion. So for the onion, we're going to have French fried onions, and we're going to have onions inside the meat, and we're going to have onions on the burger. So this is like an onion. And then for cheese, we're going to have mozzarella, and we are going to have cheddar, and lettuce and tomato. Lettuce probably romaine, and tomato just whatever I have there in the bin. Bacon, at least 2 slices of bacon. And let's make this patty half a pound. What? Why not? Half pound. Yes, I think that's good. So let's look at this. What is this gonna look like? Okay, so burger bun. So the bread is down here. I'm gonna have to put the lettuce here. I'm gonna put the tomato. This is like really blocky tomatoes, and then the burger, the meat is going to be here, and this is that's the cheese, the Djibouti cheese right here. Nice. And then we're going to need onions. We have an onion here, an onion ring here, an onion ring there. We're going to have bacon, wiggly bacon. I think that's about it, right? Is that what we said? Lettuce, tomato, onion, sauce, meat. All right, the sauce we are going to put up there. I think that is going to be an amazing burger. Half pounder. My handwriting is terrible today. Should I put sesame seeds on that? I don't know. And what about frijoles? Huh? What about frijoles, like right there? I think that could add some creaminess to it. Oh, how about avocado? Right there on top. All right, well, this is our design. Let's see how it turns out. 1.5 pounds. I can't do any more than that.
And now it's time to focus our attention on the onion. And the onion is going to be diced very finely and added to the meat. Now, if you're not a big fan of onion, well, I don't know what to tell you. The onion adds a lot of moisture, a little bit of flavor, but a ton of moisture to the burger.
All right, now it's time for the sauce. Ranch dressing. Ranch dressing is fine on its own, but it's better with my sauce. Chili powder, about a half teaspoon. Cumin, half teaspoon. Come on, half teaspoon, come on. Quarter teaspoon. Yeah, quarter teaspoon. And a squirt of sriracha. That's awesome. That looks delish.
Now, grill your large onion rings just slightly. You just want to take off that hardness or that bitterness that the onion can have.
All right, toasted bread went off to one side. Now what did we say we were going to do? Lettuce first and then the tomato. All right, lettuce first, then the tomatoes. Take this. I actually like shredded lettuce. It gives more texture to your food. Yum. So lettuce first. That'll protect the bone. Let's get our tomatoes. Let's look at our design. See here what we got here. Okay, bacon, cheese. Okay, we got it. Let's get our tomatoes on. 1, 2. You can put as many as you want, but I think 2 is enough. 1, 2. Then we have the. See here. We didn't do the frijoles. Lettuce, tomatoes. There's the bun. There's the burger. See here. The burger. What I mean by burger is the meat. And here's another one. A 2. This is huge, by the way. What's next? Onions. Onions. There. That's falling off. There. They look amazing, by the way. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh. Then the fried onions. Fried onions on top. Oh yeah. We may have to readjust our focus on our camera because it is getting too high. Then sauce and avocado. So with avocado, here we go. Smooth it out. Put it on top of the onions. Our meat is falling down. Oh my goodness. Come on. Stay on. Stay with me. Stay with me. Stay with me. Stay with me. Okay. Go. Okay. That. What else? Oh, sauce. We gotta put the sauce on. Got the sauce right here. And here we go. Right on top of there. Oh, I almost forgot the bacon. How could I forget the bacon? All right, and dun dun dun, the burger. That's right, the burger.
Just to give you an idea of the height of this burger. That, my friend, is a big burger.
You saw how big it was. Ginormous, my friends, ginormous. So let me show you. Here it is. It's right there. I don't know if I can actually put my whole mouth around it like that. You know, my mom watches this show and she has told me, don't try to eat something huge. So I'm gonna try to be more discreet. I have to say, the fried onions are great. I'm gonna try to be discreet. But you know what? I was gonna use the knife to cut the burger in half. But you know what? I think it'll be pretty interesting to see if I can take a bite. What do you think? All right, so grabbing the burger, just like this, and now I'm gonna try to eat the burger. Here we go. Look at this. I ate the corner of it. Oh my goodness. Where's the napkin? Oh my goodness. This is really good. Okay. Look at this. So, right off the bat, the moistness, the juiciness of the burger is out of this world. You don't really taste onions, but then again, I don't have an aversion to onions. I have a friend of mine, Carlos, in Mexico. He doesn't like onions ever in any of his food, and he lives in Mexico. How can you live in Mexico and not like onions? Anyway, he doesn't like onions. So this may not be a good burger for him because he tastes onions when they're not even there. So Maybe this is not for him, but it's a fantastic burger. It's very delicious. It's moist, juicy. The crispiness of the bacon and the crispiness of the fried onions are fantastic because it creates different layers of texture in the burger. You know what we don't have? Oh, we do have a little bit of acid from the sriracha in the sauce, and I can taste that. This is just umami. 1 second while I take another bite. Well, if you ever want to know what a 1.5 pound burger looks like, you don't have to wonder any longer. That is what it looks like. Fantastic. It is good. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them below in the comment section. Thank you for liking this channel. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. Hey, your subscriptions and your likes mean a lot to me. And you know what? It means a lot to my family. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. And I can't wait to show and share with you something new next week as we get ready for Thanksgiving. What do you think you should do? Again, I made the French onions for this burger, and if you want to see that video, just go ahead and click right there. It's a short video, but one just for you if you wanted to make French fried onions for Thanksgiving. That's yours. That is for you. Right there. You can make them any flavor you want. Thank you for joining. Thank you for coming in. I appreciate it. And until next week, mi cocina es tu cocina. See you later.